Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Abi Yusuf. Okay, let's just get to the presentation with titled Information System Development. Abstract. Information system, also commonly known as information system, are systems designed to collect, store, and disseminate data in the form of information needed to carry out various management functions. In its use, SESI has a system that can help the performance of employees in the company, so that company does not need to take a long time in some of its business process. The application of management information system within the scope of business organization has its its use, obstacles, and challenge. Its purpose is so that the organization has useful information in making management decisions, but concerning routine decisions and strategic decisions, so that SI is a system that provides organizational managers with data and information related to the implementation of organizational tasks. Discussion of basic concept. First, system basic concept. Second, information basic concept. Third, information system basic concept. System basic concept. The system is a collection of elements that interact to achieve a certain goal. According to Jerry Fitzgerald, the system is a network of interconnected procedures gathered together to carry out an activity or complete a certain goal. And as for system characteristics, one has components, namely a system consisting of a number of components that interact with each other, working together to form a single unit. System components can be subsystems or parts of the system. Two, boundary system, namely the area that limits between a system with other system or with the outside environment. This system boundary allows a system to be viewed as a unit. The boundary of a system shows the scope of the system. 3. Environment outside the system. Anything outside the boundaries of the system that affect the operation of the system. 4. Liaison system, namely the media liaison between one subsystem with other subsystems. 5. System input, namely the energy that is entered into the system. Inputs can be in the form of maintenance inputs and signal inputs. 6. System output, which is the result of energy processed by the system. 7. Processing system, which is the part that process input to become the desired in output. 8. Target system. If if the system does not have a target, then the operating system will be useless. Information basic concept. Information is data that is processed into a form that is more useful and more meaningful to the recipient. The source of information is data. Reality data that describes an event and a real entity. Even are events that occur at certain times. The data is processed to produce information using a certain process model. The data that is processed through a model becomes information that the receive, receives the information, which which mean which means making decisions and taking other action that will make some some data back. The data will be captured as input, reprocessed reprocessed through a model and so on, which is called the information cycle. This cycle is also called the data processing cycle. The quality of information consists of three things, namely 1. Information must be accurate. Information must be accurate, meaning that information must be free from error and not biased or misleading. Accurate component include completeness means that the information produced or required must have got competence, because if the information produced is partial, it will affect decision making. Correctness means that the information produced or required must have the truth. Security means that the information produced or required must have security. 2. Right on time. Right on time means that information that arrives at the recipient should not be late. Information that is outdated will have no value anymore. 3. Relevance. Relevant means that the information has benefits for the wearer. The relevance of information for each person is different from one another. Information system basic concept. An information system is a system within an organization that brings together the daily transaction purchasing needs that support the managerial function of the organizations operating with the strategic activities of an organization to be able to provide certain outside parties with the information needed for decision making. Information system in an organization can be seen as a system that provides information to all levels within the organization whenever needed. The system stories, retrieves, converts, processes, and communicates information received by using information systems or other system equipment. The success of an information system that is measured by the purpose of its manufacturer depends on the organization of the data and the procedures for its use to meet the demand for certain use. The structure and workings of information system vary depending on the type of needs or types I- or types of requests requests that must be fulfilled. A striking similarity is that an information system combines a wide variety of data collected from various sources to be able to combine data originating from various sources, a data transformation system so that it becomes compatible, regardless of the size and scope. An information system needs to have the com- compatibility of the data it stores. The basic role of information system in business organization. First, supporting business processes. Information system provides support in daily business operations activities ranging from accounting, tracking customer orders, paying employees, tracking inventory. When rapid response is important, the ability of information system to be able to collect and integrate information into various business functions becomes important. Second, support the decision making information system can combine information to help managers run the business better. The same information can help managers identify trends, trends and to evaluate the result of previous decisions. Information systems will help managers make better, faster, and more meaningful decisions. For example, decision about what product line to add or discontinue or what type of investment to make. Supporting competitive advantage information system can help companies to provide product and service that give give the company an edge over its income competitors. Example, store management implements e-commerce, which can attract new customer or build customer loyalty. That is all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.